Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make and receive calls on your Polycom VVX411 phone. There are a couple different ways to make a call. You can dial a person's extension within your business or dial an outbound phone number. To make a call, simply pick up the handset and dial the number on the keypad. The digits will be displayed on the screen. You can also place a call by pressing the headset button or the speakerphone button. When you're finished with the call, either hang up the handset or select the End Call function key on the phone. To answer an incoming call, you can simply lift the handset. To answer via speakerphone, press the Answer function key or the speakerphone button. If you are using a headset, you can also answer the call by pressing the headset button.